Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at a tool that says that it gives you free access to AI models. It is Arena.ai, formerly known as Chatbot Arena, is a unique platform where you can use and compare multiple AI models for free. Instead of sticking to one AI, it lets you test different models side by side and see which platform best in real time. It's widely used by developers, creators, and researchers exploring cutting-edge AI tools without paying. You get free access to multiple AI models, including advanced ones, side-by-side comparison of answers from different AIs, and anonymous testing, which reduces bias. Also, public leaderboards ranking models and support many tasks like chat and writing, coding, image generation, and even video generation. It helps you discover which AI is actually best, not just marketed as best. It's one of the few platforms where you can test top-tier AI models in one place for free. Despite being powerful, it's not perfect. Results depend on community voting, so rankings can change often. Not all models are always available, some get removed or limited. Less control compared to using a single dedicated AI tool, and interfaces more experimental and research-focused than beginner-friendly. Some advanced models may have limited access or usage caps. So Arena.ai is one of the best free platforms to explore and compare AI models. It's best for testing AI models, finding the best outputs, and experimenting, and it's not ideal for polished workflows or consistent daily use. Overall, it's less of a tool and more of a playground and testing lab for AI, and that's exactly what makes it powerful. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.